Hi, I'm Anne and I'm here to help you. Today, I'm going to send you some healing. I'm going to send you love. I'm going to send you the highest vibrations that there are in our universe, the purest and lightest energy ever. Now, today, I'm going to focus on two main areas. One is your fears and the way your fears can be pushed down and all the emotion that goes with fear. And these can come from things that have happened to you in the past, bad experiences, traumas, right back through childhood, even to the time you were born and in your mother's womb, and back in previous lifetimes too. So I'm going to work right through the whole sphere of where and how you hold on to your fear. Because fear comes up and it bites you just when you least expect it. And it can inhibit you and it can hold up huge barriers for you to really enjoy your life on every aspect, whether it be finances, physical health, happiness, your work, everything. So let's get into the healing now. And we're also going to focus on your physical well-being and clearing your pain. So just relax, drop your shoulders. Breathe in 4 times very deeply. And I surround you with the blue flame of Archangel Michael. And only positive vibrations can come through to you. I also put you in a golden pyramid. 1, 2, 3, and 3 golden pyramids below that spin and create a light body around you that holds you safe, holds your energy, a strong boundary which you need every day of your life. Great. Don't drop those shoulders. This is for you, just for you. If you want to help somebody else, you can share this afterwards. But right now, we're focusing on you. Just allow your heart to open. Allow your mind to open. And I bring in the energies of love and healing that you need to release and clear your fears and your anxieties. Right now, right now, right now. Beams of light flowing to you now, penetrating the darkest, deepest areas of your psyche, your body, your mind, your spirit, and your heart. This energy of love goes deep, deep down to find the place where you have stored all those fears based on experiences that you've had. Experiences that you've had right from the time of your birth and before. Healing the experiences that you had in your mother's womb. Was she fearful? Did her fear embed in you? We heal those wounds, those imprints now, right now, right now. Good, good. Clearing the anxieties and fears that your mother passed to you while you were in her womb. Healing them now, right now, right now. Now, your birth may have been tricky, may have been a challenge for your mother to bring you through. You may have been a little reluctant to come into Earth this time. It's not an easy ride, and you'll remember that from before. So you may have some trauma related to your birth, and focusing right on that now, right now, with the intention, healing all birth trauma. Right now, right now, right now, right now. Very good, very good, very good. Well done. We're dissolving those traumas and we're transforming them. And as we transform them, they give you strength. And they go from fear to strength, from fear to love. Now we send healing to the experiences that you had as a child. Were you scared? Were you nervous? Were you frightened at school? Were you frightened by your parents or by relatives? Did something bad happen in your childhood that you never shared with anyone? Are there fears and emotions that you've kept locked down? Maybe you feel shamed. Maybe you feel dirtied. We heal those now because they're past. They're absolutely past. And the imprint is energy that we're going to transform. Healing all imprints and hurts from your childhood right now, right now, right now. Clearing the memory of the emotion. And after this session, I want you to just write down everything that's come up with this healing and then burn it. Or take a pebble and shout it into it, throw it in the sea. We don't need it anymore. Healing all pain of the memories of what has happened to you in your past. More love and more love coming to wrap around you as a child. Healing the imprints, releasing the emotions, and loving you. Now we're sending healing to your older childhood and on into adulthood up to today. Whatever's harmed you, whatever's hurt you, have you felt betrayed? Have you been scared? Have you been abused? And have you held on to that emotion, and that has it created a fear? Has it limited your life in any way? Healing you now for all the imprints ever you've had in your life from bad experiences, negative experiences, scary experiences. Right now, transforming them with love, the energy of pure light that flows through you now, and it brings down all barriers that you've placed there to cope. Bring down those barriers so that the love can get through, so that you can live life, you can be joyful in life, and you can be in your full power to be yourself, who you truly are. Every secret you hold and never shared is a barrier. Write these feelings down, write the experience down, burn it and transform it, sending you love now and healing. Right now, right now, right now. And we send this healing deep, deep into your soul, where there's imprints from the past, often like a fist that holds in your heart, in your soul, like a big lump. And that lump consists of all the fears, all the feelings, the emotions, the anger that you have wrapped up right there inside. We're healing it now, right now, healing all your fears, all your imprints, healing all those emotions that you've held for so long. Now is the time to let them go. Just open your hands, blow them away. Don't need them anymore. Chop through the attachment you have to them. Don't tell the story anymore. Just release and let go. And that lets go your sense of being a victim of the way people have treated you. When you're a victim, you're out of control of your life. You're in the control of whoever hurt you. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't let someone else control you. Don't let someone else determine how you feel. Chop, clear, release, let go. Make that your intention. When you intend it, things change. Healing you more love, and more love now. And some of this energy will have got trapped into your body. Sending you love to release it from every part of your body now. And when it gets trapped in your body, it becomes painful. Can cause illness, can cause discord and imbalance in any part of your physicality. So healing now all imbalance, all pain, everything that you have suppressed, held down, it moved into your physical state. And we heal it now, right now, right now. More love and more love for you. Right now. In your joints, in your muscles, releasing the tension that's held there. When you're fearful, when you're angry, when you're hurt, you tense up. Every muscle can hold on to something. Ask your muscles, ask the spirit of your body to release now. Release all pain, all tension, all fear, all anger, all that causes you pain to be released now. Right now, right now, right now. And your mind can play tricks. You think you've dealt with something and then it goes whooshing back. Little triggers, things that happen, things that people say, things you read or hear on the television. Trigger. Right. Let's go back to what is triggered. Let's go deep. Let's find the root cause. Let's send the healing to whatever it is that triggers your memories in your mind. Healing your mind and the imprints in your mind of memories that recur and recur. Sending healing and light to those with love right now, right now, right now. Good, good, well done. Well done. Wow. Releasing and letting go and transforming all memories from being painful and holding emotions to being merely that, something that happened in the past that you've learned from, something you've grown strong from. No longer to control you. Let go the controls of those memories. Send them away. We don't want that. What we want is the memory to be transformed into an experience that you remember and use as a point of reference, either to not go through that again or to give love and compassion to yourself for having gone through it. An opportunity to love yourself. wrapping around you with the energies of love, making sure you know that you're never alone. We're all connected. Right now, fully 100% connected, heart to heart, spirit to spirit. And the love flows. And it flows into the heart. And it fills your heart. Heals the heartache there. Clearing and healing your heart, your body, your mind, your spirit. And now we just go back a little further, and I send healing to you, the soul that you are, in all your lifetimes that have brought fear into this lifetime. The experiences from back then could be so difficult, so traumatic, that the imprint has stayed with you right into today, right into this life. So sending healing to your past and every lifetime where you suffered and are still holding on to the motions of that suffering. So healing your past lives with love right now, transforming them into insights and wisdom. Right now. More love and more love and more love flowing to you now. Embrace the love. Feel the love. And I can see the hearts flowing on my screen. And I send those hearts of love back to you. Bless you. Now I'm going to send some healing for you, just for you to do whatever you wish, whatever's your problem, with your intention. That love can go and assist you, clearing the way forward, clearing the way back, in the present moment, whatever you need it for, right now, it's coming to you. Pure, beautiful love from the highest source. Take it where you need it. Embrace it. Feel it and use it. It's yours. Cuts through ego. It cuts through lack of self-esteem. Cuts through all negativity. It's beautiful arrows of love. Beams of light that come to you now. Right now. Right now. Healing you for whatever you need. And when I close, those energies continue to flow, and you can re-watch this video anytime and the energies will still flow. The intention is right there, and the love is right there. And just to finish, I seal this love in, and we send it out worldwide to all those who don't know about me, about you, about the love. We're going to send it out right now to everyone who needs the love. Every animal, every bird, every living thing on this planet that needs a love, receiving it now, right now, right now. Bless you. Bless you. Love to you. Bye-bye. Until I see you next month again.